Let's talk now about the Project Management Office, or what we call the PMO. There is a misconception worldwide about what a PMO needs to do and can do. And the misconception is that the PMO is a one-size-fits-all concept for all organizations. I have seen many organizations try to copy a PMO from another organization into their organization, but they fail. And the reason they fail is that you cannot just assume that one PMO from the first organization, we can just take it out and plug it in perfectly into another organization, given that the other organization has a totally different culture, has a totally different organizational influences, has a totally different background. This cannot work. If we want to summarize what a PMO does, we find that the PMO brings focus to the project management function at your organization. Now, what do we need to focus on in our organization as related to project management? That varies. We need to ask that question. What is the project management focus that your organization needs? This is where method comes in and helps you determine that focus and bring all the attention and efforts towards that focus and build a customized PMO that fits your organizational needs. So what can the PMO do for us? There are many functions in general that a PMO can do. All or some of them might be fit for your organization. Let's start with portfolio management. The PMO can help you with portfolio management. Portfolio management means the selection, prioritization, and management of your project's portfolios or portfolio in a way that fits and meets the organizational objectives and the strategy of the organization. Another important function that the PMO will do for us is to help us focus on the project health. We need to check and assess how our projects are progressing. And are our projects actually fulfilling our strategy? And are we getting the deliverables that we need from our projects? In many organizations, project managers find themselves a bit lost because there is lots of focus by department managers on the technical staff. But not many people are there to provide support and mentorship for the project managers. The PMO function can provide that mentorship and support that is needed for our project managers in the organization. Another important function for my PMO is to help me have all the project-related data in one single repository where we can all find it. It's kind of funny, but it's also interesting that in many organizations, we look for project history information and we cannot find it. And if we find it, we cannot tell whether this was the last version or the previous one or the approved one or an old one. And sometimes we run from one office to the other, one folder to the other, trying to find out the data that we need. Your PMO will help you put all your data in a structured, defined manner in a single repository at your organization.